And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
Well, it's officially October 1st, so let's take a look at September, the recap. We did see a warm month close to 2 degrees above normal. The warmest high temperature was 87 back on September 1st, and the coldest temperature was in the morning on the 29th, 34 degrees. Now, talking about temperatures, we do start to cool off a little bit this month. Average high of 65 to start off the day. Now, by the Halloween, we'll be down to the lower 50s. And we do also lose close to 90 minutes of sunlight. Our sunset for tonight, 6:32. By Halloween, it is 5:42. And we do pick up a little bit of rainfall, a little over 2.5 inches. The wettest October on record was back in 1886, over 5 inches of precipitation. And from that precipitation, on average, we might see some flakes as well. The first flakes of the season, perhaps 3/10 of an inch of snow is what we typically record for October. And just talking about the cool weather, we're expecting some cooler weather heading into the later half of next week's work week, well below average temperatures, so enjoy the mild weather while we still have it. Started off the day with a mixture of some foggy skies, but later on by the afternoon, we did turn more sunny, and it has been pretty nice outside with temperatures getting into the mid and upper 60s, even the lower 70s. But that will change tomorrow as another high pressure from Canada will pull in slightly cooler temperatures. We do have some light rain over the western part of the state into Minnesota, but this high is drawing in some drier air, so we're not expecting any rainfall to make its way into the eastern part of the state. Skycast shows that pretty much the only thing we'll notice tomorrow is a lot more cloud cover, especially considering we have hardly a cloud in the sky right now. Tomorrow afternoon and evening, though, the clouds do diminish as that high pressure really draws in that dry air, dissipates the cloud cover. By Monday morning, we should be seeing a mixture of sun and cloud cover. There's been some hints, maybe a light sprinkle over central Wisconsin. If that ends up being the case, quickly diminishes by the morning, and in the afternoon will be pretty dry for Monday. So highs tomorrow, lower 60s, normal high 65. We will run a few degrees below normal for this time of year, but with that being said, it could certainly be a lot worse. 52 for the overnight low. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour with partly cloudy skies. Pretty comfortable. Then for tomorrow, slightly cooler, mixture of sun and clouds, high of 63. Northeast winds continuing off the lake at 5 to 10 miles per hour. 67 on Monday, slightly warmer, then up into the lower 70s on Tuesday and Wednesday. And I will say probably after that, it might be a while before we do see those 70s because a cold front comes in, and look at those highs getting down into the mid and lower 50s. There's even some signs some of us might have even reached the 50-degree high on Friday.
I'm here outside Bellin Hospital.